Drop the fork, the pork can talk. After Smithfield Foods launched a new national advertising campaign called We Speak Pork, which features pork products that are so good, they speak for themselves. The campaign is voiced by Emmy Award-winning writer, actor, and comedian Ben Schwartz, who brings the products to life with his witty and engaging personality. The campaign aims to drive awareness among Gen Z and millennials, showcasing the versatility and convenience of Smithfield's products, including bacon, prime fresh lunch meat, smoked hams, and pre-marinated pork tenderloins. The We Speak Pork ads are designed to grab attention with bold product visuals, highlighting the unmatched flavor and quality of Smithfield's expertly crafted pork products. The campaign is an entertaining way to appeal to new audiences and let them see the fun side of the Smithfield brand. Smithfield holds the #1 market position in uncooked bacon and smoked ham in the U.S. and top 10 positions in uncooked breakfast sausage and packaged lunch meat nationwide. So what would pork have to say about the land it's farmed on? The Trump administration is tightening its grip on foreign ownership of farmland amid concerns over Chinese investment in America's heartland. The U.S. Department of Agriculture will work with state lawmakers to end farmland purchases by nationals of countries of concern or other foreign adversaries. The USDA is also partnering with the Treasury Department's Committee on Foreign Investment in the United States to review foreign purchases involving the farming industry. This move comes as U.S.-China tensions have reverberated across state and local politics in Middle America, sowing angst about Chinese investment. Lawmakers have long raised concerns that foreign farmland ownership threatens food and national security. Companies like Syngenta and Smithfield Foods, owned by China's WH Group, are among the owners of American farmlands that have raised concerns among officials. Smithfield Foods has sold more than a third of its U.S. farmland since 2013 and now owns about 85,000 acres, a number that continues to decline. The company maintains that WH Group is not a Chinese state-owned enterprise and that CFI US approved its acquisition of Smithfield. Foreign-held farmland expanded to nearly 45 million acres as of 2023, with China holding nearly 280,000 acres. The USDA's new National Farm Security Action Plan raises the fine for late and false filings on foreign farm investments to 25% and creates a new portal for reporting filing violations. The plan also includes evaluating USDA-funded research for foreign participation and eliminating program agreements going to foreign adversaries. The USDA has already canceled 7 agreements with entities in foreign countries of concern and will continue to do so. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.